Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add items to wishlist on Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to add items to wishlist on Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app guys, on this interface, first navigate to the item which we want to add on the Temu's wish list. For example, I'll be opening this jacket or hoodie over here, you can see, which is on the first. And after navigating to your product similarly as this jacket or hoodie over here, and after opening this item space, if you scroll down, you can see the comments, and just below the comments you will find the product details option over here. And just beside the product details guys, you can see the save button available for us. Tap on the save button at the right side of the product details over here, and then that item will be added to your wish list on Temu. So let's do that for another item. Let's go with these two bands. Navigate to your product as similarly to this and scroll down, and just below the comments you will find the product details over here. Tap on the save button over here and it will be added to your wish list on Temu. So in order to check it, let's go back and let's go to our wish list on Temu. To do that, let's tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and when you land over here, you can see, if you swipe it up a little bit, currently we are on the browsing history. When you tap on the wish list guys, all of our items which we had added or saved previously on Temu will be added to wish list as over here. So if you tap on the CL button, all of our items which we had added to wish list on Temu will be over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to add items to wish list on Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.